In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tally to Zapier to Mailerlite. By the end, new Tally form submissions will automatically flow into your Mailerlite list, saving you time and keeping your audience organized. Start on your Zapier home screen. Click Create, then choose Zaps to open a fresh automation. In the editor, begin with the trigger. Click the trigger box, search for Tally, and select it. For the trigger event, choose the option that fires when a new form submission comes in. This ensures every new response in your selected Tally form will start the workflow. Next, connect your Tally account. Authorize Zapier to access it, then continue. You'll now pick the specific Tally form you want to watch. Select your form, click Continue, and run a test trigger. If you don't see data, submit a quick test entry to that form first so Zapier has something to sample. A successful test will show real fields from your form, like name and email, which you'll map in the next step. With the trigger ready, move on to the action. Click the action box and choose Mailerlite. Select the action that fits your goal. Add subscriber to create new contacts or update subscriber if you're maintaining existing records. Connect your Mailerlite account and continue. If your workspace uses multiple accounts or domains, make sure you pick the correct one. Now configure the subscriber details. Choose the target subscriber group where new contacts should land. Then map the email field by selecting the email value from your Tally trigger data. This mapping tells Zapier exactly which form field contains the subscriber's address. If your flow relies on consent, ensure your Tally form clearly asks for it. Mailerlite can handle double opt-in if you have it enabled in your account settings. Click Continue and run a test step. Zapier will attempt to add or update a subscriber in the group you chose using your sample submission. Check Mailerlite to confirm that the test contact appears as expected. If you see mismatched data, return to the field mapping and adjust the source fields from Tally. When everything looks good, publish your Zap. Publishing turns the automation on so future submissions are processed automatically. I recommend naming your Zap clearly, something like Tally to Mailerlite form name, so you can find it later. From here on, every new response to your selected Tally form will seamlessly sync to your chosen Mailerlite group, keeping your list current without manual work.